This is Don Ice Age, and got a package from Tristar. So these things will be put up for SCF to use as prizes in one way or another. So they have come out with hidden treasures like they've done in baseball in the past. You can see it up there in the left-hand corner, 2014 limited. It's got our treasured autograph, 8x10 photos, the history of the football, and you can see they got a huge list. Football history favorites. They got decades all the way from 40s to 2010. They got a huge list of Hall of Famers, and a huge list of today's stars. And so let's open this up, see what we got. All of these are authenticated by Tristar. And what do we have right here? So there's a nice PSA, Dallas, Bob Hayes. Nice photo. There it comes on the back. Deceased in 2002, 3-time Pro Bowl selection, 2 by first team All-Pro selection, Super Bowl VI champion, and Olympic gold medalist. 2001 Dallas Cowboy Rings of Fame, and the Pro Football Hall of Fame 2009. So pretty nice auto. And like I said, they have a bunch of these with quite the impressive checklist. So that's that. Interested. And we also have box 2013 Tristar Honor Signa Cup Baseball. Much like the same thing. Hall of Fame, 1-on-1 diamond finds, 1-on-1 fantastic finds, baseball honors, double plays with double autographs. And you can get the complete checklist on signacut.com. So let's open that up. See. Oh, there we go. Definitely stronger than the normal plastic on some of the others. Let's see how this opens up. If it's easy or hard. Okay, opens up pretty easy. And as you can see, each of the boxes are hand numbered. And it opens just like that. Numbered out of 5. It looks to appear to be an emerald. Zach Greinke autograph. And then you've got the 2009 American League Cy Young winner, 2009 All-Star Major League Baseball Era Championship. And there it is, Signa Cup Baseball, featuring an authentic hand-signed autograph. So that's 2013 Signa Cup Honors Baseball. Looks like an Omaha jersey. So we'll be giving these away on SCF, and thanks to Tristar for hooking us up with 2 of those autos. And we have a box of TNA Impact Glory Wrestling to break in a few. So check out Sportscardforum, and again, thanks to Tristar for sending these. Have any questions about the product, feel free to drop me a line, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thanks for watching.